all about me. Hello friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Annie. I am a girl. I am 7 years old. I live in Pakistan. My father is an engineer. My mother is a housewife. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite subject is English and science. I love to eat chocolate ice cream. I like to play badminton. I want to become a doctor. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, or, for more videos, go and visit our channel.